Hello all, welcome back to Aspire World. Today I will share all the important current affairs of 1st June 2020. So let's start. Responsible AI for Youth. The Union Minister for Electronics and IT launched a national program for the youth called Responsible AI for Youth to empower the youth to become AI ready and help reduce the skill gap while enabling youth to create meaningful social impact solutions. The government has also launched India's National Artificial Intelligence Portal called www.ai.gov.in. The national program is open to students of classes 8th to 12th from central and state governments run schools from across the country. Fiscal deficit. The country's fiscal deficit widened to 4.6% of the gross domestic product in 2019-20, mainly on accounts of poor revenue realization, according to the Controller General of Accounts. Also, the revenue deficit was 3.25%, the effective revenue deficit was 2.36%, the data show. The increase in the fiscal deficit has been mainly on accounts of the shortfall in revenue collection during 2019-20. The revenue received during the year worked out only to be the 90% of the revised estimate. Rozgar Setu. Madhya Pradesh launches Rozgar Setu scheme aims to help secure employment for skilled workers who have returned. After surveying workers requiring employment, the government will contact factory, workshop owners and contractors overseeing infrastructure projects such as road and bridge construction. Thus, the state government will act as a setu, bridge between workers and the employers so that both are benefited. According to the CM, Madhya Pradesh is the first state to devise such a work plan. 2 megawatt solar plant commissioned at INS Kalinga. A 2 megawatt solar photovoltaic plant was commissioned at INS Kalinga, Visakhapatnam. The plant is the largest in the Eastern Naval Command and has estimated life of 25 years. INS Kalinga has taken significant steps in green initiative since its setting up in the early 90s, including afforestation, numerous plantation drives, coastal cleanup drives, and protection of the geoheritage site Ara Matti Dibalu, known as Red Sand Hills. Expansion of G7. The USA President has proposed the expansion of G7 to be called as G10 or G11. The proposed expansion has suggested inclusion of India, Australia, South Korea, and Russia in the grouping of the largest advanced economies. The G7 of Group of 7 consists of Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom, and the United States. The rise of India, China, and Brazil over the past few decades has reduced the G7 relevance. Thus, inclusion of emerging economies like India, South Korea, etc., may extend the support to establish equal level for each country at the global level. China's opposition to THAAD. China has issued a statement reiterating its long-standing objections to the presence of the US THAAD missile defense system in South Korea. THAAD is an acronym for Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, a transportable ground-based missile defense system. THAAD was deployed in South Korea as a countermeasure against potential attacks by North Korea, particularly after the country had engaged in testing ballistic missiles. Violation of Armistice Agreement. The United Nations Command has found both North Korea and South Korea guilty of violating the Korea Armistice Agreement 1953 due to gunfire along the Korean demilitarized zone between the two countries. The shooting also violates the Pyongyang Joint Declaration of September 2018 and Inter-Korean Military Agreement, which calls for reduced military tension between the two countries. The Armistice Agreement halted the Korean War of 1950-53 and established the Korean Demilitarized Zone, the current border between the two nations. World Milk Day. World Milk Day is observed on 1st June every year. The day aims to provide an opportunity to bring attention to activities that are connected with the dairy sector. 2020 Milk Day marks the 20th year since the initiative, and the entire world celebrates the day to mark the significance of milk intake in the diet. Global Parents Day. Global Day of Parents is celebrated on 1st June every year. The day aims to honor all the parents throughout the world. The observation of the day recognizes the primary responsibility of the family in nurturing and protecting their children. World No Tobacco Day. Every year on 31st May, the World Health Organization and global partners celebrate World No Tobacco Day. World No Tobacco Day is being observed on 31st May with the theme Tobacco and Related Industry Tactics to Attract Younger Generations, to debunk myths and expose devious tactics employed by tobacco industries. So that's it for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, post it down below in the comment section. We will be posting such videos daily, so hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any update. You can also purchase the PDF of one-liners for an entire month from our website. Please check the link in description. Thanks for watching.